What's up, y'all? It's a new improved Mid-South. Okay. Ricky! Alright, I'm gonna have to go this way. I don't wanna get all dirty. My new jeans on. They don't look new, but that's the way they came. I'm fixing to show you guys how. Oh man, I'm dirty. How a lot of the homeless live out here in Arkansas. Damn, I cleared all this shit. Oh man, I lost it. Over there, I got my new boots, waterproof boots on. And we're way out here in the woods. I mean, counties over there, there's county maintenance bridge division over there. They like way back here. Sasquatch back here too. There's I filmed probably a mile, no, more than that, 2 miles back that way. One in a creek. I went around a bend. I mean, as soon as I went around, it was a blur. Of course, you know how blurry they are. Pixar. They probably knocked this gate off. Fuck yeah. No. Yep. Damn it. I can go around. I go way this way. We had some fucking rain, man. I'm talking, it rained its fucking ass off. Yesterday and last night. It might be too wet to get over this way. Bulldozer did it. Not a scratch. Shit went on that road. I definitely ain't getting up under that crap right there. I could climb that. Nope. As you can see, I ain't got too fat climbing a fucking fence. Sinking up to my fucking knees in this shit. Sorry. Yeah, for those who don't know, I'm off the street, live in a house, 5-bedroom, chem free, drug free. I'm not even smoking weed, which I got a medical card, y'all know, but while I'm in chem free and in this program that I went to back 3 years ago, freshly renewed, praise them for letting me come back. I've been clean for a month, off the street for over a month. Sun's brutal today, and humidity after that rain. We're going out here to Sasquatch land, but stop over here at a partner of mine's that they live out here, got a camp. I got some belongings and Ricky! Hey Ricky, man, it's Mark. Y'all got an opening over here somewhere? Fuck, damn, I'm hot. So yeah, I'm fixing to introduce y'all to the some of the homeless camp population that partner of mine that was it actually in Freshly Renewed with me, my roommate, and he's got a camp out here. I know everybody out here. Well, just about. Ricky! Hey, Ricky! Ricky! Hey, man, it's Mark. Hey, it's Mark, man. It's Mark Landry. Hey, hi, is there an opening over here somewhere? It's Mark Landry. I'm right here. Fuck. Mark Landry. I'm right here. It's me. Where's Ricky? Huh? I'm fixing to climb this fence if I can't find an opening. I'm over here by the concrete by the building. Fuck this shit. Yep, I'm gonna have to climb this motherfucker because I ain't walking all the way around. Check this out, guys. Just in one of my, this used to be some type of structure, building. And it's got another wall over here. Right here, check this out. I mean, this is like, I'm about half a mile from civilization. Man, that barbed wire's gonna fuck me up, I know it. Might have to cut my camera off and, yeah, I'm gonna have to do that. I'm gonna holler back at y'all here in a minute. That was a feeble attempt. I couldn't even lift my weight off the fucking ground. Look, I used to think shit laid up in here. That's where all the water drained off. That rain come down. I can get up under right here, but I get wet as fuck. I gotta go back all the way around. I'm gonna come up to a spot where I watch these snakes. I know they out today. I heard a rattle in the bushes on the way. Fuck, I gotta get in here. I know where I'm at now. I know where I'm at, but there's holes in this sumbitch right here that you'll drop like all the fucking way. All the fucking way. And I don't want to run up on a bed of rattlers or moccasins. And this is the right shit for them right here. Something stomped all on you. Oh shit. These mounds like this and this wet shit, right shit for snakes. Some deer probably come through here. Okay. Run through this shit. I'll step on one, fucking bite me. So I'm like far from medical. Take hand lamps, I'd die. What hand lamps got here? Right here. All right. Well, I'm gonna have to rest for a minute. Oh man, they fucking clogged that shit. This is Sasquatchville right here. This is the entrance. There's well, you see that big ass fucking X right there. Back this way is a bunch of other structures too. I'm gonna show that to y'all, but I gotta get up under this gate. That's a big ass fucking stone, man. I can't move that motherfucker. Well, I might. Yeah. Ooh, berry. I know it's red, but ooh, sour. All right, I gotta turn on. Oh man, I had y'all on pause. Big ass fucking. We had a storm last night. It poured down fucking rain, but there was no wind. No wind. This is a path. And I know it's a path, but it don't look like nothing's been walking it. Don't see no tracks of nothing. It could have been a glyph right there. I don't know. We don't really know if they're actually glyphs or not, or just fallen sticks. Nobody really knows. I don't care how many channels say, "Oh yeah, man, that's a structure. That's a glyph." We don't know. I'm going to sit down. Come up to the structure I was showing you. See, like that bend right there? Look at these bends. That's a fucking sticker, my damn. You go down that ways, you find some squatch. I ain't got that time right now. Okay, my Zoom ain't working for some fucking reason. I have that problem when I get in these active areas. Zoom won't work, fucking camera won't work. I see that branch right there. How easy that broke. I think it's holding these fucking trees down. Fuck no. That's the way you tell that's a fucking structure. These are opposing arches is what I call it. Damn, I got a fucking splinter in my finger. Or a sticker, thorn, whatever. There's that structure. There's that wall up there. I'll go around it. I should have went live with y'all. You know what? I'm gonna do that. See y'all in a minute. See y'all here.